In this lesson, we will learn about the electric sequence that is divided into manual operation and automatic operation through the selector switch through the terminal block. Through the selector switch, we control the operation of the lamp via push buttons for manual operation. And you can turn the selector switch to automatically operate the electrical sequence. Here, in the case of automatic operation, the power is supplied to the relay RY0 and a certain electric sequence part is operated by the timer T1. Notice the simple sequence drawing on the right side of the screen. Also, please refer to the description of each instrument below the drawing. When the main power is turned on, the GL lamp lights up. The GL lamp lights up when the relay RY1, RY2 power is off. Since the power is not supplied to the relay RY0, the user can use the push buttons PB1 and PB2. First, when the user presses the push button PB1, power is supplied to the relay RY1 and the RL1 lamp lights up. Since the contact status is maintained by relay RY0, it continues to operate even when the push button PB1 is released. And at this time, if the limit switch LS2 is input, the power of the relay RY1 is cut off and the RL1 lamp turns off. Now, when push button PB2 is pressed, power is supplied to relay RY2 and the RL2 lamp lights up. Here, the relay RY2 contact status is maintained, so it continues to operate even when the push button PB2 is released. And when the limit switch LS1 is input, the power of the relay RY2 is cut off and the RL2 lamp turns off. Now we are talking about automatic operation. When the user turns the selector switch, SS power is supplied to the relay RY0 and power is supplied to the timer T1 by the relay RY0 contact. The relay RY1 power supply and the RL1 lamp light up after 5 seconds of the setting time of the timer T1. For simplicity, we can divide the manual operation part and the automatic operation part through the selector switch SS and the relay RY0. For detailed electrical sequence wiring, you can obtain wiring information for each device through a video card or a description column. Now check the connection of each device and check the operation.
Input on. Wiring breaker. Press the button, PB1. Release the button, PB1. Input on, LS2. Input off, LS2. Press the button, PB2. Release the button, PB2. Input on, LS1. Input off, LS1. Input on, SS. Input on, LS2. Input off, LS2. Input off, SS. Input on, LS2. Input off, LS2. Input off, wiring breaker. Input on. Wiring breaker. Press the button. PB1. Release the button. PB1. Input on. LS2. Input off. LS2. Press the button. PB2. Release the button. PB2. Input on. LS1. Input off. LS1. Input on. SS. Input on. LS2. Input off. LS2. Input off. SS. Input on. LS2. Input off. LS2. Input off. Wiring breaker.
Thank you for watching. Check out the subscription and the like button. We will make more and more learning videos. Any other questions would be appreciated if you leave them in the comments below the video. We wish you a nice day.